Ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy, the DoorDash Revolution, once again with another stellar episode. We want to make sure that all the delivery drivers are doing this right here. Rack them up, stack them up, rack them up, stack them up, rack them up, stack them up again. I hope that you're making money today on July the 23rd, which is Wednesday. We call it Hump Day. Now, check this out, ladies and gentlemen. I did a shift earlier from 0800 to 1000 hours, and I want to provide that information there for you today. What we're going to talk about in this episode, ladies and gentlemen, that I so often talk about, the keys to success in maximize your earnings and get higher tips. We got proof today to validate what I've been talking about that I use in these streets to help me make more money. All right, we're going to go ahead and go into the community post of my channel, and we're looking at the time right now is 10:13 Central Standard Time, and I want to go to the community post on my channel. Let me switch that, do that, get that, bring it right here. All right, we're going to go to the community post, ladies and gentlemen, and we're going to show this to you, and we're going to go give you this slide. First, we're going to show you, we'll hit it like that there so you can see it. Pull it back a little bit. Bam. There you go right there. All right. First order of the day, ladies and gentlemen, was a shop and pay order. Wow, what just happened there? When I did that, there we go. It was a shop and pay order, ladies and gentlemen. It was high pay, shop and pay promo. It was at Walgreens, $9.26 with the arrow pointing up, which means it has a potential to get higher. 3.4 miles, 1 unit, 21 minutes. There's another secret on there that I may talk about later on in the episode, but you got to stay tuned and watch this video until the end. All right, so I went ahead and accepted this offer. It took that amount of time to get the order and drop it off at the drop-off location. Remember, $9.26, 3.4 miles. We're going to do the slide, so you can slide, and we're going to put it a little closer. I blocked the customer name out, ladies and gentlemen, so let's see, can we get it focused there? Let's see, almost had it focused. Right there. There it is. All right, we're going to talk about this here. Great work. Customer added $3 to your tip. This is the same order, ladies and gentlemen, and we're going to hit the next slide. I get these extra tips all the time, ladies and gentlemen, on the Grubhub app, and I'm going to tell you why in this episode. So we're going to hit the next slide. Boom, there it is. The next one, boom. We're going to get to that. Now, I blotted out the customer information, okay, because we want to keep their information private. You know, when we're using these receipts, ladies and gentlemen, for educational purpose and training purposes intended. All right, and plus we do a review and a breakdown analysis of how we make money out here that may help you make money in your market. Okay, we're going to turn it around, hoping we can get, bam, there it is. All right, we're going to talk about that right there, right now. All right, that area that you see said route details, I blotted it out. Customer protection as well, for me as well, ladies and gentlemen. I do not want to provide all that information and then people will know exactly where to go get my money. Now, we're going to talk about this. This was July the 28th. Can we blow the screen up? The only way I can blow it up, let's see, I know how to do it. Hold on. I'm going to have to go in my photos because I want to blow this stuff up so you can see a better view of it and know what's going on. All right, let's do this right here, right there, right there. Let's see, here we go. All right, we can go here. All right, we're going to blow it up. We're going to do this first. So now we can blow it up to where you see that better. Let's see, hold on. Bam. See what I'm saying? $9.26, one item, 3.4 miles. Let's see, can we get it to focus back in? Let's do it there to focus back in. Bam. 21 minutes. That's a lock right there, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to talk about that before the end of the episode. So you see the order right there, the order details and everything. You see that it has higher pay. It's a shop and pay promo. And we're going to go to the next slide. That shrink it good enough. The next slide. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I can't show that one. That shows the person name. Let's go over to another one right here. We can blow this one up because we want to blow that one up, ladies and gentlemen, so you can see the better details there. All right, we're going to do it here to show you that it was today. Bam, right there. And it increased $3, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we want to show you the distance. It matches up. Bam, 3.4. Pay details. All right, we're going to go into the base pay, which was $7. Customer tip, $5.03. Total $12.26. So when the customer first tipped, it was $2.03. So you have $7.23 plus $2.03, made it $9.26, ladies and gentlemen. So this is how I get these tips, ladies and gentlemen. I say it in the community post. Better business etiquette, quality customer service, which means the experience, excellent professionalism, ladies and gentlemen, and great communication. Those are the things, ladies and gentlemen, that I use to maximize my earnings for higher tips on Grubhub. All right, let's go back, ladies and gentlemen. I want to talk about this right here. I want to talk about this bad boy here. In the next episode, we'll be able to show it to you. Let me do it here. Right here. There we go. That right there unlocks the details on your route detail of the address where the customer is. Okay, you can look at that and everything, and the restaurant you're picking it up from and where you're dropping it off from. So use these strategies, ladies and gentlemen, for high pay orders. So Grubhub have implemented a new screen, as you can see, a new interface on high paying orders. But in our next video, we want to talk about how to navigate long distance orders. Ladies and gentlemen, peace, take care, and we see you in the next one.